Which headlight bulbs are actually good for night driving? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Sylvania H11 Extra Vision. Let's kick things off with the Sylvania H11 Extra Vision. Priced at $41.45, this bulb caught my eye because of its promise of enhanced downroad visibility. If you want a reliable solution for driving at night, this is worth a serious look. With 55 watts of power, it offers a robust filament design that improves durability, so you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. Plus, it's designed to be paired with another bulb for optimum performance, ensuring you see further ahead without added glare. Now, some people complained about the bulbs dimming over time. Here's the thing though, all halogen bulbs do that. It's just part of the deal. If you're okay with replacing them occasionally, this option is solid. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable headlight solution that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer LEDs or have a specific vehicle that doesn't fit the specifications. For the price, you're getting great value. Now, if the dimming issue concerns you, the next product on the list offers a brighter alternative without that compromise. Product number 2, Sylvania H11 Silver Star Ultra. Next up is the Sylvania H11 Silver Star Ultra, priced at $61.71. This bulb is marketed as the brightest downroad option available, which really piqued my curiosity. If you want to see further and clearer at night, this one deserves your attention. Imagine being able to spot deer or pedestrians from a farther distance. That's what this bulb aims to provide. With 55 watts, it's engineered to maximize visibility and performance, helping you feel more secure while driving in the dark. However, some users have pointed out that its lifespan can be shorter than expected. I'll be real with you, if you do a lot of night driving, you might find yourself replacing them more often. But for the brightness and visibility, many find that trade-off reasonable. This is perfect for you if you prioritize seeing at night above all else. Skip this one if you're looking for a long-lasting bulb or have a tight budget. The investment here could be worth it if night driving is a regular part of your routine. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a budget-friendly pick. Product number 3, Sylvania H7 Extra Vision. Now let's talk about the Sylvania H7 Extra Vision, also priced at $41.45. This bulb caught my attention due to its reliable performance claims. If you want a dependable bulb that won't let you down, this is worth checking out. Just like its H11 counterpart, the H7 has a color temperature of 6,000 Kelvin for that crisp, bright light. The robust filament design ensures durability and enhances downroad visibility, so you can navigate dark roads with confidence. And remember, these bulbs are meant to be replaced in pairs for optimal performance, which is a smart move to keep your lighting consistent. However, some users mention that fitting them can be tricky for certain vehicle models. Here's the thing though, it's crucial to check compatibility beforehand. If you do that, you'll find these bulbs perform excellently. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free installation and reliable performance. Skip this one if fitting issues would frustrate you. For the price, you're getting a solid product that gets the job done. Now, if you're more budget conscious, the next bulb on our list might suit you even better. Product number 4, Sylvania 9006 Extra Vision. Coming in at a very budget-friendly $20.63 is the Sylvania 9006 Extra Vision. I was surprised by how affordable this option is while still promising solid performance. If you're looking for a reliable bulb without spending a fortune, this is a great pick. Like the others, it offers more downroad visibility thanks to its design and the halogen light source. With 50 watts of power, it's not the strongest option, but the enhanced downroad visibility is what makes it stand out. It's perfect for those who need decent light without the bells and whistles that come with pricier models. Now, some reviews mention that its brightness isn't as high as other models. Here's the thing, while that may be true, if you're driving in city conditions or don't do much night driving, this could be just right for you. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a reliable bulb. Skip this one if you need the brightest option for rural night drives. For the price, you're getting good value without breaking the bank. Alright, that was a great budget choice. But if you want something that still offers performance without going too high on the price scale, the next product could be your sweet spot. Product number 5, Sylvania 9003 Extra Vision. Last but not least is the Sylvania 9003 Extra Vision, priced at $38.29. This bulb impressed me with its focus on downroad performance, which is crucial for nighttime visibility. If you're looking for a bulb that enhances your driving experience, this is definitely one to consider. This means you'll see obstacles and road signs clearer and sooner, giving you a better reaction time. Plus, it's manufactured by a trusted OEM, so you know you're getting quality. However, it's worth noting that some users have found installation a bit tricky. Here's the thing, if you're handy or willing to take your time, you shouldn't have an issue, but it might be frustrating for someone who isn't as experienced. This is perfect for you if you want enhanced performance without a hefty price tag. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with installations. For what you're getting, it's a solid investment for enhanced safety and performance on the road. So to recap, we started with the dependable Sylvania H11 Extra Vision, moved to the bright Sylvania H11 Silver Star Ultra, then on to the reliable Sylvania H7 Extra Vision. We also covered the budget-friendly Sylvania 9006 Extra Vision and wrapped up with the high-performance Sylvania 9003 Extra Vision. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider your driving needs before making a choice.